see that guy by the tree? Tree? Which tree? The tree on the left. Wait, your left or my left? Great. I'm not. Come revive me. You know I'm terrible at Fortnite. Why couldn't we just play Frogger? Wait a minute. Do you hear that? By order of Countess of Low Carb, I have been instructed to deliver a special package to the one they call Steve. That's me. You can just leave it on the chair. Very good, sir. I must be off now. Well, that was weird. But was it though? Nah, you're right. We have seen weirder. Wait, bro, what are you doing? Bro, I'm gaming. Well, we gotta open the box first. From the Countess? Sounds pretty official. Are we going to London? London? Why would we go to London? Well, Wayne Rooney, Westminster Abbey, and Yorkshire pudding. What does any of that have to do with keto? Nothing really. I just always wanted to go there. Yeah, me too. But you know, I don't exactly have the most stable job. But I thought you worked for... I do, but I'm on a contract. Oh, I see. So what's in the box? There's a letter inside. And it's an ingredient list. Chicken, avocado, eggs, bacon, and pork rinds. Uh-oh. What is it? Do those ingredients mean what I think they mean, bro? I don't know. What do you think they mean? Well, if I knew what I think you knew, then I probably wouldn't need to know. But if you knew what I knew, then I think you'd already have known. Probably, but I don't know what I think you know. So do you want to know or no? I want to know. Mystery box. I should have known.